In a world obsessed with what and why, we believe that how you lead matters more. That's why being a how activator is such a rewarding role for me at Karrikins Group. It gives me the opportunity to work with leaders to help them connect, not just with what they're doing and why, but also how they're doing it together as a leadership team. As they do the work to define their how, they start to relax and get into a new flow with each other as they realize the power of leading together to achieve their most ambitious goals. It's so energizing for me to see that happen. I love the work we do, the outcomes we create, and the power we see leaders igniting for their teams. It has a lasting impact that goes far beyond the executive suite, extending out into the entire organization and beyond. I can't imagine a more rewarding way to spend my time than bringing the power of how you lead together out into the world.